All replacement CF400A and CF400X series cartridges for Hewlett-Packard's LaserJet printers deliver the best performance available from an aftermarket cartridge. These cartridges are used in the popular HP LaserJet Pro M252, M274, and M277 MFP printers, as well as the Canon LBP611, 612, 613, and the MF631, 632, 633, 634, 635, and related printers. The M252 and M277 MFP printers have OEM-rated print speeds of 18 pages per minute and duty cycles of 30,000 pages per month. Our replacement-compatible CF400A and CF400X cartridges deliver consistent, OEM-comparable print performance from start to finish, while meeting the stated OEM page yield of 1,500 for the 400A and 2,800 pages for the 400X. For more in-depth product information, visit our website or contact your sales representative.